Alright guys, we got a little test run here. Just a little summary. I'm going to record this, my gameplay and then my audio, right from the Elgato together, and kind of upload it on YouTube and test it compared to my live streams and my edited gameplay. The reason for that is the live stream, my internet isn't strong enough to upload the 1080, and then when I edit them, my computer isn't strong enough to render 1080. So I think I'm in trouble already. I see the herd moving. So I need to get myself a melee. I could have sworn I saw a melee here. So if I don't edit it and I don't stream it for the ones like this, when I want to have it that crisp, clear, high def, I would like to be able to do that for some of them. Like get to know where the hordes are, save them in a new save file for the certain hordes, and then do horde hunting. Just a few of them, you know what I mean? Nothing major. But if it don't work out, maybe we won't have to do it this way. Here's another thing. Did they change it with all the patches? I could have sworn when I first ran into this horde, I think this is the death train car or something horde. I could have sworn there was more of them. And it was like a big deal, but now when I ran into them every single time, it's only like 30 of them, 30% of them.
Finally. Another bounty.
And if you guys are just getting into the game, or maybe you've been playing a little bit, but you want some ideas and tips for the hordes, when you get to the hordes, go near your bike and save it, and create a new saved file. And then you can come back and actually play different ways to defeat the hordes. Like, I realize there's some sort of walkway or area over here with a gate, and there's an explosive on the gate, and all around here there's these barrels. The first time I played this game, like day one, I think I got caught opening this building, and I got it open, but I was killing the hordes, the zombies here, and healing up and all this shit. And I didn't utilize like the environment, which could help you in a big way. If you find those Nero checkpoints, get the stamina built up. I think right now I got my stamina and focus, and I'm not trying to build up my boost. See down there where it has your endurance and it has health, stamina, focus. I'm purposefully avoiding these white check marks. These are the Nero checkpoints. I'm getting a few of them just to build up my stamina, but when I first played it, that's what I went for. I went for all the white checkpoints. Like, look, there's one here. Because I was like, well, yeah, that's going to make you run faster for longer, do the focus for longer, and then have more health. Shit.
Finally, Jesus.
Wait, I think they're moving. But yeah, right now I wanted to have a lot more challenge to it, so I only did a little bit of stamina and a little bit of focus and no health improvements. I have no health boost right now. So I'm pretty sure somewhere over here, yeah, look it. I want to try to funnel them this way. And then circle back around. Shit. Does he see me? Here, they're on the move. Got a good cluster of them. This is what we'll do. If you're just in the mood to kill them all, throw one of those distractors. throw one of those distractors over there. Like this. You just hit that truck. It'll take out a ton of them. Oh, shit. Oh, where's it at? Oh, no. I can't jump over the car? Since when? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I tried rolling or moving away, but there was a zombie behind me. A freaker behind me. One thing I also don't like, and I know there's some people who are going to be like, what? That's crazy. Right now, it saved it by my bike, but if you go over here and look, the Horde isn't as big. And that truck that I blew up is still blown up.
The roof.
Oh, it's not. Wait a minute. The one time I played the game, and wait a minute, didn't I move this? The one time I played the game, I blew up the truck and it saved it. And I was like, well, no, that sucks. I want to do the whole Horde over again. I don't want half the Horde dead already. Oh, shit. I think we got the whole Horde again. Okay. Well, that's the thing. I don't even think it's the whole Horde. I think it's only 30% of
What's this?
what will eventually be the whole Horde. I think the way it works is instead of putting like 500 freakers here, they'll put like 100 or 200. Sometimes 50 or 80. Yeah, let's say they'll put 80 here. And then... Shit, hold on. Yeah, they'll put 80 freakers here. And then you kill them all and it'll give you, like, mission complete, death train Horde, 30% killed. And then the next time you come back here, it'll respawn the rest. It'll respawn like 40 more %. You kill them and it'll say, congratulations, you know what I mean? You've killed 80% now. And then when you come by again, it'll give you the last 20%. Again, I think that's speculation. And I've beaten the game twice. And I've on normal. And I've played the hard mode. I'm going to start down here and circle them this way all the way through. I've played the hard mode halfway. So I got a good feel of how it's done. I just got to make sure I run the right way. Whoa, that was a miss.
Yeah, that was a real good idea. These players at home, these corpses. Come on.
Here we go. Oh, what are you doing there, buddy? Have a little fun. Is the Horde coming or what? Damn. Shit.
Come on.
I went the wrong way. Oh, no. Not again. I'm trying to get most of them over here. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. Wait. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. They are on my ass, boy. Yikes. Come on. Oh, I didn't make it through. No. Oh, no. I just put myself in a hole. I cannot believe I just got out of that. Let's get another stamina cocktail over this bitch. Wait, did I not drink one? Shit. Let's try another little trick. Oh, I wish I could have saw that, yo. Damn it. Get over. Whoa.
Come on.
Okay, come on. I gotta get this. Did I just hurt myself? I did, didn't I? Wow, you can actually get a lot of bandages and shit. See, Death Train Horde 23%, and there's still mad freakers behind me. Come over here. Bro, what? I got an idea. Oh shit! I did not expect them to come running out. Really, bro? Die already.
Bounty.
Yo.
At last.
What are you doing, baby doll?
Micro recorder. Let's see.
Oh, you missed. Jeez, I missed. Oh. Well, that's it. Time to celebrate.
Look out!
I'm not dead yet. Alright, guys. We're going to upload this, get a little test run going, but I think I missed a few days. I was supposed to try to get as many videos posted as possible Monday through Friday. So if you're new here and you're interested in Days Gone, hit that subscribe button. We're going to see how... We're going to give it a little time to pick up. Maybe there's still some people interested. I'm absolutely interested in any updates they do as far as DLC.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit. Any updates they do as far as DLC. And in the future, I think we'll be able to play this on... Damn, bro. Die already, will you? Oh, he got me when I tried to roll. I believe we'll be able to play this on PS5, you know, way before they come out with a sequel or anything. But I think having DLC with Horde waves would be absolutely awesome. Or, what do we got? Horde waves, different stuff like that. So that way it adds, maybe weekly challenges, so that way it adds to the game. But this is long enough. I'm going to post this up. If you guys enjoy it, let me know. I could do some of these. Again, there's no face cam, there's no editing, but they're a little more raw. But I could do some of these fighting some of the hordes, or maybe some tip ones, or I don't know. You guys give me some suggestions. But these would be the quickest because I can literally sit down, record it, and then post it right up. All right, let me know down below. I'll see you guys in